Well, that blowing snow is causing a big mess at MSP tonight. You can see nothing but red cancellations on the airport's flight tracking website right now.
Airport crews worked all day trying to clear runways and get planes off, but for most flights, it wasn't enough. Devon Rahming has been at the airport all night, catching up with passengers trying to get out. Devon?
Well, Randy and Julie, it's been pretty quiet here at MSP for much of the day, with more than 500 flights canceled and nearly a half a dozen delayed. Airport leaders say this accounts for more than 50% of daily operations here at MSP, and several airlines actually offer travel waivers to many of the passengers who were either delayed or canceled. Many of them we spoke with say they're truly grateful.
They offered me full credit on the ticket to use, on a future flight and or just rebooking. And since I'm Diamond, they did automatically rebook me on the, next available thing, but that is sadly a long ways off.
I have to figure out that I can get a hotel room, and after that we have to see how we can move to the airport again tomorrow morning.
We've been trying to get up out of here. We was praying, just for real, we was praying, we leaving.
And those prayers came through for that family there, because there were several flights that actually did get to leave MSP this evening. And airport officials say they have crews working around the clock out on the runways to keep those runways clear in order to keep flights moving. Of course, this is all weather permitting. Randy, Julie.
All right. Thank you, Devon.